सिंह और इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे सम ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ that were there in newspaper between from past 3-4 days. So this was a news related to Israel-Hamas war, right, and the issues in the region. So here you can see Hezbollah top commander Shukr killed in Israeli attack on Beirut. So it happened in Lebanon. Beirut is the capital of Lebanon, and after that tough talking face of Hamas, Ismail Haniyeh, he has also been killed. So he was the supreme leader in exile of Hamas, right? So he landed on Israel's hit list after the militant group staged surprise attack on October 7. So actually what has happened here, you can see in this article that on October 7, 2023, Hamas has killed around 1200 Israelis and took 250 of them as hostage, right? So this was a surprised attack on Israel, where they were sort of celebrating some festival, some event was going on where many Israelis participated, and Hamas, it has launched a surprise attack on them, which has led to killing of 1200 Israelis, and then they took them as hostage also. So this has actually initiated all the conflict in the region. So यहाँ पर आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हमस क्या है, हिजबुल्ला क्या है, उसके बारे में आइडिया होना चाहिए, और इज़राइल की जो जोग्राफी है उसके बारे में आपको आइडिया होना चाहिए. लाइक हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज़ इज़राइल, दिस इज़ सी ऑफ गलीली, राइट, एंड यहाँ पर आपकी जॉर्डन रिवर फ्लो करती है, राइट, दिस इज़ जॉर्डन. सो इज़राइल इज़ बॉर्डर्ड बाय इजिप्ट, सीरिया, जॉर्डन, लेबनन, राइट. सो लेबनन की कैपिटल है बेरूत, राइट. हियर शुक्र वॉज किल्ड, एंड देन जॉर्डन, सीरिया. This is West Bank, this is Gaza Strip. So Gaza Strip is controlled by Hamas, right? So this you should be knowing, and this is what? This is Dead Sea. This is Sea of Galilee. So Hezbollah क्या है? Hezbollah is Shiite Muslim political party and militant group which is based in Lebanon, right? It is based in Lebanon, and इनका जो network है, it has deep rooted alliance with Iran and Syria, right, and have transformed it into an increasingly effective military force, creating a formidable opponent for its long time enemy Israel, right. So they actually oppose Israel and they work against it. So Hezbollah is a militant group. Then who governs Palestinian? So Palestinian power in the Gaza Strip and West Bank, the so-called Palestinian territories. Here you can see this is Gaza Strip and West Bank. So यहाँ पे Palestinian, these are called as Palestinian territories, and यहाँ पर जो control है, political control, that has been divided among 3 entities, right? A governing body called Palestinian Authority, the militant group called Hamas, जो कि गाजा में operate करता है, and some of it is also in West Bank, and the state of Israel, right? But अब Israel क्या चाहता है? Israel now seeks to destroy Hamas, right? So क्यों? That is because Hamas, it has launched a surprise attack, led to killing of 1200 Israelis. So that was a major issue, right? So here you can see millions of Palestinians lived under control of mix of authorities in the Palestinian territories and in refugee camps across the Middle East, right? And in the recent decades, Palestinian Authority has controlled parts of West Bank, and the militant group Hamas has run the Gaza Strip. Meanwhile, Israel has exercised power over both the areas in different ways. Both the areas in West Bank and Gaza Strip, Israel in its own way exercise its authority, right? Then Hamas के बारे में, Hamas has governed the Gaza Strip in Palestine since its takeover of the region from rival party Fatah, right? So 2007-6 में elections हुए थे in which Hamas defeated this party, and then they formed the government. So Hamas government was led by Ismail Haniyeh from 2007 until 17, right, when Haniyeh was replaced as the leader. So he is also killed by recent attack by Israel in Iran. He was killed, right? So Hamas के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए that it was formed in late 1987 at the beginning of first Palestinian Intifada. Its roots are in the Palestinian branch of Muslim Brotherhood and it is supported by a robust socio-political structure in the Palestinian territory. So Hamas has a military wing, right? And the group in early 2006 won legislative elections in the Palestinian territories. इसके बारे में अभी हमने बात किया. Ending the secular Fatah Party hold on Palestinian authority, right? So this you should be knowing. And Hamas in June 2008 entered into a 6-month agreement with Israel that significantly reduced the attacks from both the sides, but then that was for a temporary period only, right? And in July 2014, the uneasy calm between Hamas and Israel broke down completely after 3 Israeli teenagers were kidnapped and killed in West Bank, right? And then Israel retaliated and killed in return. So after that, we can see that the conflict is still going on and the killings have become more rampant. So you should be knowing Hamas, Hezbollah. So it is also considered as a terrorist group, Hezbollah. So this geography you must be knowing. So this was it. Thank you.